everyone, I'm Pooja from Penguin Coding School. Welcome back to another video.
For today's lesson, I'm going to be telling you more about pen controls. I'll be showing you how you can pick up your pen when drawing and how you can fill in a shape with different colors. We'll be working on our REPL accounts, so if you need help with using REPL, check out our video on a tutorial so you're more familiar with the website. And make sure your page looks similar to mine. So we'll start by importing everything from Turtle, as well as creating our pen, which can be set up as T equals Turtle and then parentheses at the end. If you need help with these first few lines of code, check out our movement video. All right, now for the functions. So our first function is called the pen up function. So you can use this function when you want to lift up the pen and begin to draw somewhere else. This means that if you pick up the pen and use the go to or other movement functions, you'll see that nothing will be drawn because our pen was lifted up. To put our pen back down, we use the pen down function. So now if we start moving our pen, we should see it drawing. So let's have an example that uses these two new functions. So my turtle or pen is currently here in the center. Let's say we wanted to draw two parallel lines, one below and one above. I'm going to make a line to the left first by using the goTo function. So I'm going to write t.goTo and -200, 0. So this moves our line to the left 200 units because our center is at 0, 0. And if you need help understanding the coordinate system, you should check out our video to get a better sense of the drawing board. So before making my second line, I'm going to lift up my pen by writing t.pen up. So I lifted up my pen because I don't want both of these lines connected. But now I'll use the goTo function, and this time in the parentheses, I'll move it up, so -200 and then 100 units up. So when we run it, you see that it drew to the left, but when it moved up, it didn't draw. So now let's make our second line. I want to move this line 200 units to the right. So before I do that, I'm going to put down my pen. So t.pen down. And I'm going to move it using the goTo function once more. And in the parentheses, I'll write 0, 100. So let's run it and see what happens. Awesome. So now you know how to use the pen up and the pen down features of Python Turtle. Let's move on to our next set of functions, begin fill and end fill. So these fill functions will allow us to color in whichever shapes we want to draw. So I'm going to comment out the code we have already by using 3 quotation marks. Okay, so let's say we wanted to draw a red circle with a radius of 100 units. So that would be t.circle, and then in the parentheses, we'll write 100. So now I want to fill in this shape. So what I'm going to do is before my circle code, I'll write t.begin fill parentheses. So this tells our computer that this is where we want to start filling the shape. After my circle function, I'll write t.end fill. So this tells our computer that we want to fill until this point. So let's run and see what happens. So as you can see, the computer's default fill color is black and we want it red. So before our begin fill, we're going to use a function called fill color. So t.fill color, and then you're going to put quotation marks. And in between these quotation marks, you're going to write the color you want. So we'll write red. Awesome. And you can always change what color you want to use.
If you do want a specific shade of color, take a look at our color video to learn about hex codes.
Now you guys are masters at pen up and pen down features and the fill-in functions. For more practice, I'm going to give you a small assignment. Try making a simple house using the functions you know, and next time we'll go over how someone could code that. So I'll show you an example of what a simple house can look like. So make sure it has a roof, a circular window, a chimney, and a door. Let us know in the comments if you were able to do it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned more about Python Turtle. See you in the next one.